This video is sponsored by Manager SE from Mitchell 1, industry-leading management software to increase shop efficiency from estimate to invoice. For more information and a free demonstration, visit mitchell1.com.
You probably know that improving car count at your shop can be very expensive and very trying. What you have to do, the cars that are coming to your shop, you have to make sure that you're performing a proper inspection and also addressing the complaints of the customer. The right way to do this is with a digital vehicle inspection software. This integrated with your multi-point vehicle inspection form can definitely improve your business and optimize the cars that are going through your shop. Think of it this way, if you're not using DVI software for an MPI, well, you're starting from scratch every time a customer comes through your shop. The technician in back, he's having to fill out a form. Something may be lost in translation with the front counter. But with a DVI form, nothing gets lost. Everything is organized in logical categories. Underhood stuff is kept with underhood stuff. Interior stuff is kept with interior stuff. It's all grouped together in logical categories that corresponds with the inspection on the vehicle. DVI software, it helps to organize the inspection and the items on the inspection so it can be properly communicated to the customer. And this can be done with color coding. If it's green, it's good. If it's yellow, it needs to be addressed sooner or later. If it's red, well, that needs to be addressed right away to help repair their vehicle. This is very consumer friendly. The most important thing with DVI software is it's configurable to your shop and your operations, and most of all, your customers. In other words, inspection of tires may be put very high, or inspection of snow tires may be put very, very low, depending on your area. When a technician is inspecting the vehicle, you could see the rate of completion and see what they've inspected so far in the vehicle and check out the progress. This way you can relay to the customer when the inspection is going to be finished and when you can send them their estimate. So improving your car count may be one thing, but improving your opportunities for a vehicle already coming to your shop is essential for managing your business. With a DVI system in place, this way you can monitor and make sure that you're taking advantage of all the opportunities. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.